Welcome back to Summit Sunrise, here with one of my favorite people. This is Christy Lee Gogolin from KO Creative Design. And Christy Lee and I actually, we go way back. We actually taught snowboarding together when we first started about 8 years ago here in Summit County. But KO Creative Design is, what is it, Christy Lee? What exactly do you guys do?
KO Creative Design is a full-service web development group. We do everything web-related and mobile-related. Mobile apps, websites.
Okay, so let's say, for instance, there's a TV station named TV8 Summit that has kind of a lackluster website, and we actually right now, Christy Lee is working on improving our website, and it's going to be live here sometime soon. We'll let you guys know when that happens, but we definitely needed help on all fronts, and if you guys go to tv8summit.com, you may understand what I'm talking about. But one of the things that we learned after talking to you is that search engine optimization is a really good thing. Mm-hmm. And first of all, let's explain to everybody what that is.
So SEO, as it also is also called, is the art of driving more traffic to your website and getting you higher in the search engines. So you can build a website, but no one knows where it is, and no one's going to be able to find it. How do we get you found? That's what it is.
Okay. So that might be important, especially for a lot of small businesses here in town.
Right.
And so you can help people do that, huh?
We can, yes.
So how does that work?
So there's a bunch of different steps involved in it. We do market research according to your industry, and we pick out some keywords that we think are going to work and that people are searching for, and then we optimize your website specifically for those keywords, various pages, and within the code and within the text as well, to optimize it specifically for a keyword, so that way when someone searches TV station Summit County, you're at the top of the list.
See, can you see why Christy Lee is taking care of this for us? Okay, so even if someone, let's say they have a website right now and it's not ideal, but they could maybe get in touch with you just to boost the SEO.
Right, we can just do SEO on top of it. We can do some modifications on the page and things and whatnot. And we'll sit down with you and go over it and say, well, we can do this or that, and, various different plans that will work for you.
Nice. Okay, so if you're feeling a little hopeless about your website, feeling a little lost, you can do things right now that may not, break the bank to make it that much better. Now, why do you feel like right now that websites are that important for people, especially for small businesses?
Right. Well, more and more people, when they're looking at a business or they're shopping for a product, they're not, before they even meet anybody or look at the product, they're looking online. Before they even leave the house, they're checking things out online just to read reviews and view pictures and whatnot. So they're pre-shopping beforehand.
Right. So definitely looking for that immediacy. And you guys can even help out with mobile websites, right?
We can, yes.
Okay. Right. And so what's the difference between that and like a standard website?
So it's the same concept between the two. We would just optimize the content slightly differently. For a mobile phone, it means that the site is optimized specifically for the device that it's using. Okay. So whether or not the content is rearranged, we remove certain technologies that don't work on phones, and we just move things around so it looks better on the phone.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so there's a lot of different options, sounds like, that people can utilize to make their website that much better. And even if you happen to have some genius ideas about creating your own mobile app, guess who can help you out with that? Mm-hmm. KO Creative Design, that's right. Christy Lee, in my book, is kind of a genius. She has her own mobile app, which I use frequently, and it's called Explore More. And tell them all about it. It's really cool.
So Explore More is an altimeter app where it will tell you your current altitude, but it also has a photo sharing feature where it will, you can take a photo with it and it will stamp the photo with your altitude and your location.
That's awesome, especially for around Summit County. You guys might be surprised if you use this app, let's say like shopping on Main Street in Breckenridge, and you're like, seriously? It's pretty awesome, and of course making your friends and family jealous is kind of amazing as well. So there it is right there, Explore More, and that's only for the iPhone, but you can pick that up and just look up Explore More. But if you do have ideas, Christy Lee can help you do that. Now, I think a lot of people too, when they think about websites and they think about mobile apps and mobile websites and things like that, it gets a little intimidating. Mm-hmm. And I think people also think it's way more expensive than it is. We were definitely surprised here at TV8 Summit when it came down to how affordable it actually is to pretty much revamp our entire website. If people are kind of intimidated, how do you combat that?
Right. Well, we understand that. So we offer a 30-minute project consultation where we'll sit down with you. We can go over your website with you or go over your project or whatever you're working on, And it's a free project consultation where we'll just give you some ideas about what might be the next steps, what we might recommend for you, etc.
That's awesome. Okay, so you guys, 30 minutes of free consultation time with Chrissy Lee and her team over at KO Creative Design. I mean, it's what a great way to just get started and get some ideas about how you can improve things. And, you know, it's totally free. It's amazing. So how do people get in touch with you?
So I believe my website and my phone number are on the screen there.
All right, you guys, check it out. We love Chrissy Lee, and she's doing an amazing job with our website. Can't wait to debut that for you. But definitely get in touch with her if you have any questions. So thanks for coming in this morning. It's always a pleasure having you here. We're going to take a break. We have more coming your way, including our watch and win and more weather and snow conditions. So don't go anywhere.